Zaya family. Happy Wednesday. I hope that you guys have had an amazing week, and it is going to get even better today with the launch of our new Unity line. So before I even talk about this line, I need you guys to know that this is the highest quality legging that we have ever done. So this legging is going to be comparable to some of the top brands out there, their best-selling items. So I think this item is going to fly. I think it is my favorite legging, and I feel like you guys are gonna feel the same. So with this legging, it comes in black. I'm wearing the black obviously, and it also comes in a maroon. This is a 7/8 length legging, 24-inch inseam. I am wearing a size 2. I am 5'2" and 116 pounds. So I am wearing my true to size, but with this legging, we actually do recommend sizing down. This item is like a luxe and a soft and snug had a baby and came together for this amazing item. So we recommend doing the same thing that you would do in a soft and snug, more towards the soft and snug side, because this does have a seam at the top of them, but it's really going to be preference, truly. I wanted to stay true to size because it gives you that weightless feeling when you stay with your true to size, but sizing down is going to give you more compression. So depending on what you're looking for in your legging is going to determine how exactly you want to size for these. So if you're like me and you want more of a loungy legging that I can wear to work and just hang around in, true to size. But if you're looking for a compressive legging that you can maybe wear to work out, that would definitely be a size down. This legging is buttery soft, and I've said weightless 100 times, but I have to emphasize that. This legging is unlike anything we've ever done. Just a completely weightless, light feeling legging. There are only the single seams on the inside, like I mentioned, no seams on the outside, no pockets on these, but it does have the waistband at the top. So I just know that you guys are gonna love that. I know we love our waistbands here at Zaya. And then from the back, we just have our standard moon logo, and that is all of the details about this legging. Like I said, highest quality line, and I just know that you guys are going to be obsessed with this item as soon as you get it on your body. All right, you guys, I just wanted to show you what the maroon ones look like on. So this is the exact same legging, 7/8 length, 24-inch inseam, and it is a duplicate of our black ones, just in maroon. Just a reminder, band at the top, super soft. We have our standard logo on the back, and this item is going to be so cute. You guys are just going to love it.